Hi, this is Elsie Kerns, and I am holding an almost empty bag of honey roasted peanuts. I just got this out of the trunk of my car. You might be wondering, what was it doing in the trunk of my car? Well, I actually bought this to take to the shore to share with everyone there. But the other day, I got the munchies. And I remember that I had a bag in my closet with all of the goodies I was going to take. The honey roasted peanuts called to me, and I thought, just a couple would kind of soothe that munchy craze. But we all know you can't eat just a couple of honey roasted peanuts. So I was trying to fool myself, but of course it didn't work. So, has this ever happened to you where you're saving something to take with you and you just can't resist? Maybe it's a couple of potato chips or a little ice cream, another weakness of mine. So, anyway, I am getting ready to go down to Ocean City tomorrow for a couple days before the holiday. And I'll try to hide this, put it out for everyone to enjoy what's left. I just thought I'd do this little video because I've got to put it back in the trunk of the car to keep it safe until I get to Ocean City. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm warrior. Have a wonderful just around the corner, and I'll catch up with you when I get back.